OpenSciEd, CODAP tutorial for data comparisons, teacher-facing video. A CODAP document shows 3 tables for crash test results with crumple zone lengths of 10, 50, and 120 centimeters, with corresponding dot graphs.
In order to compare how the crumple zone length influences the outcomes in a collision, use the graphs underneath each table to compare how the variables recorded by the simulation change over time. To do so, click on the y-axis of the corresponding graph. Select the dataset that you're looking at. In this case, we're looking at the 10 centimeter dataset. And select the variable of interest. I'm going to choose the force acting on the dummy. And do this for the other 2 datasets, making sure that you select the dataset that you're looking at in the graph. So I will now go to the 120 centimeter dataset and select the force acting on the dummy. Notice that by having the 3 graphs next to each other, we get to see that the peak force is different for each test, okay? And that the spread over time also changes for each of the conditions tested. If you want to provide extension opportunities to students to analyze this data, you can also see how the relationship between 2 variables differ in each test as a result of changing the length of the crumple zone. So for example, instead of looking at time and force acting on the dummy, we can look at the acceleration of the dummy and the force.
The user changes the x-axis of the graph to show the acceleration of the dummy, changing the shape of the graph. The video ends. OpenSciEd.